Nakikita ba yung so, bata pa ako. Ako yung umali ako yung galamit ako ay pinabahan mo pa siya. And then, sabi ko, why are you nervous? Yes, sir. And then sabi niya, you should be.
Backstage po, and meron ako nakalimutang prop na ilagay sa isang briefcase. So may prop pala daw. And the scene was going on, and then when they opened the briefcase, going prop, and I was, I didn't know what was happening until I heard this booming sound sa my house. Bakit hindi nalagay? Bakit hindi nalagay ang prop na yan?
Nilagikot yun.
Finally na siya lalo pinag-uusap ko. Sino itong youngest kapatid? Dahil kilala mo lahat ng kapatid ng father ko, siya lang yung lagi pinag-uwin. Lola ko, siya lang nakakita ko. So finally na-meet ko siya. Ganun ko na yung movie. So, bata ako mag-go-to kasi naka-movie fan siya ako na siya yung isa sa restaurant. Ano din siya? Hindi siya pwede pala. Hindi siya nakaka-ibig. Kasi bebenta sa nyo sa kumain mo na kapag-nanood ng shooting. Tapos pag the very rare occasions na hindi ko sa Manila na ako na hindi ako. Yung pwede sila mo rin ako hindi ko lang. Sa Ascara na sa sabi niyo nila.
Si Tony Robesa, estudyante pa natin sa Rosmano, sa kasama siya sa isang production. Naging guro naman, ang teacher siya sa director, masyado nangyayari sa Tony naatasan, napagpasahan ko ako parang director. At yun ang nagsimula ng mahabang panahon niya na pag-ibig at pag-gusto sa kanya.
The way Tony and I played was that we were both interested in theater and society, theater history, the context of theater. That was what made us play.
He said all the same because his life was really dedicated to the theater and to society. So there are a lot of family gatherings now we miss mostly it's been a rehearsals, meeting, or like that.
Si Sir Tony, itong recent years, kapag nalilit ang mga estudyante, siya pa ang nag-text sa mga estudyante kung nasaan na kayo, will wait for you. Ganoon siya nag-adjust. So, hindi siya nanatili dun sa old school. Kinakatakutan niya ang ating.
We would put in veteran actors so that the students could observe how they work and that they would also up their game and kayong kakaya naman ba? Maybe kuchi-kuchi lang acting here or kuchi-kuchi discipline here, and then I'm working with very professional actors so that kept us in line.
I don't think it was Mary Stewart. He gave me a great opportunity when he did Mary Stewart and Miss Stewart because it is a title role and bigyan niya ako title role. First role ko sa kanya.
In August Tony, during that time, he was the only theater company of doing classes. And that is really one
lahat ng production staff niya, estudyante pa naman kami noon. Pero ang nagsaling, babangin ko yung mga estudyante niya, ang nagsaling si Nicolas Pinchay. Ang nag-design ng entablado si Nicolas Del Campo, si Nicolas Del Campo. Ang nag-design ng kasukatan si Roger Julian. Ang nag-design ng ilaw ako. Estudyante pa lang kami. Pero binigyan nyo kami ng trabaho sa production na yan. Na ang mga artista, kabilang si Jonas Senestan, ang isang sa Susan Flores, Benson Ratres, si Anton Juan, si Angela Ferro, Isabel Rino, siya yung mga artista ng mga banda. Pero yung kami mga estudyante, binigyan niya ng responsibility. At yung kalaanan, pinagdaan namin at yung kalaanan, hindi namin ikaw sa isipan namin.
Tony would come to the set really into his work at home. He knew already how he wanted to do this. Tony already came in like okay, this is what I want my work to be like. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. You as actors will feel me.
Ang galing niya sa crowd scenes. Hanggang ngayon, yung isang bagay na lagi ko na-ambisyon na kung si Tony Mabesa, gagawin ko ng itsura. Sabi nga niya, hindi pwede na yan. Kung pwede pati gawin mo.
Out of all lima na nagsimula ng cinema, yung kakabit ng UP Lima, and therefore kakabit ng isang university. And therefore, it's a training ground for students of theater. And it's the first ever theater program in the country na formalized siya.
So, kita mo yung mga foreigner students mo doing good, really good in the industry, even in the emerging industry or wherever it is.
Ano kiwala ako? Kaya nila ako ang reklamo. Ano nangyari dito?
Pero si Sir Tony kasi, first and foremost, he's a theater practitioner. So anything that will make the practice easier para mapadali yung pag-ate mo, kung yung mga katulad ng mga paniniwala mo tungkol sa iyong kapurihan, magiging sagawal, siyempre magiging against it. So, ano siya, parang kumbaga, we have to be people of the world. Fast, diba sa isip sa maraming bagay. Para magampanan mo yung pagiging artista.
Because we're great educators. You can tell that he was really genuinely passionate about teaching theater, doing theater. It's about being a leader, especially with the
Aside from the fact na malaking contribution niya in professionalizing the industry, I mean, he was the first one to start a theater course. And sa akin, ang trademarks niya would be discipline, professionalism, and excellence.
It's professional. That's what I like about surveying. When it's work, it's work. And this is my vision, and this is what I want to be on stage so the other people can also appreciate it. Every creative portion of my creation, I wanted to share it so they can also experience it.
It's very particular about discipline. So we will always discuss what you will do the theater.
Ako, certain discipline ang kailangan. If the call time is 6, you have to be there by 5. If you are a staff, you have to be there at 4. Kasi noong time niya, my first gig with him was as props. 4 o'clock na. Tapos pag sinabi niya, kailangan bigay. That was his motto. So kung kailangan niya ng sandok, the very next day, kailangan produce mo yun.
Ay, si Tony talaga ay ano yan. Bukod sa isa'y kaibigan. Isa siyang kasamahan natin. Lalo pa pagdating sa'yo. Kasi mula ang UP. Balik ako sila nagsimula niyan. Si Tony, si Ben, saka si Anton. So, si Ben, nagpunta ng Liberet. Si Anton naman, nag-Greece, no? Ba't patuloy sa kanya, kanyang doctorate. Si Tony, nagpatuloy sa Dulang. So, parang tinulog niya yung Dulang movie sa makilala ito.
Walang Dulang UP kung walang Don Mabesa. At sa mahabang panahon, kapag sinabi mong Dulang UP, ang unang maiisip talaga ay Tony Mabesa. Si Tony Mabesa, ang aking ama sa teatro, ang naging dahilan kung bakit ang naging karera ko at ang naging buhay ko ay umikot sa teatro. Meron akong kaugnayan kay Tony Mabesa na bukod pa, higit pa sa larangan ng teatro. Kasi tinuturing ko siyang pangalawang ama at sa totoo ay naging gano'n na nga dahil kahit nung kinasal ako ay naging ninong pa namin sa kasal. Kaya yung aming relasyon ay higit pa sa relasyon lamang ng isang direktor at isang aktor o kaya ay isang guro at saka isang
Hindi. Marami po.
Yung compliment you there, yung compliment you, oh, magaling ka kanina, galing-galing mo. And then I go to the mirror, thank you. Tapos, exit siya konti. Knowing full well, nakita ko siya sa mirror. Kasi sasabihin niya sa katabi ko, costume first.
So, one of the innovators, ang sabi ko ng innovators nung time na natin. So, tsaka siya yung naging, sinestress niya lagi yung class and elegance. Elegance in love, elegance. And carrying yourself on stage. Yung parang dapat alam mo kung dala ng eksena if you're playing a lead or ikaw yung parang sa eksena.
Tapos pinaka-funny yung ito lady na po mga recent years. Kasi I was so busy with my events. And if you would be the type of with a company mo, or ikaw, Adriana, anong oras ka na tulog? Tapos malikulan, kasi sabi niya, you were out till the good time, and then you got home at this time, and then you were still online at 2, and then you had a meeting at 9 a.m. When did you sleep? Sabi ni Francis Hermits. So talaga, it just goes to show how involved he was with the lives of his personal lives. Kasi alam mo yung schedule mo, di ba? So parang, that's funny but at the same time very revealing. Kasi it showed how much he loves us.
After rehearsals, pinapadala niya sa akin na actually, every rehearsal, do you want more? Of course, sir. Hindi pa ako kumakain. Lagi, gilim mo siya. Bigyan ako ng kumakain kasi hindi ko kumain. Kasi orange, sandwich, an apple. Sa mga di ba?
Yung kanyang cooler, di ba ang liit? Pero never ending yung pinita sa loob. Parang Jesus and the 7 loaves and the fish, at saka yung tulog sa bread. Ganun yung pakiramdam ko yung cooler nito. Coke light, Coke zero, tsaka mga prutas. Hindi na ako ubus.
What I know is that he really loved his students. He was engaged in their lives professionally and personally. So some of his students, after semester, became very close to him. They did not say that he was anymore as a first alarm. When we would hear things about his students and mentees, he would tell me, si ganyan, ganyan yan, estudyante. Sabi ko, ay po, ang brand, kung ako yung sinito, at ang galing yung arte.
He has always been like a father. Maybe because he met me when I was a freshman. And I was a teenager. And really, Tony has seen me through the major milestones of my life.
what's great about Tony Lopeza is that he mentored so many kinds of theater artists. Hindi lang siya sa artista lang. Playwrights, designers, yan, na mentor ni Tony. No, and that's to me a huge thing.
That, to the people that I said that, especially during the COVID, things fall very differently. And after doing that, love me very much, as much as his own biography. It's really clear, it's a soul at heart. Lying to the theater, when the lights are and the curtains close, it's really a song.
Just looking forward to doing 2 more plays before
alam mo na yung sasabihin niya, o yung ayaw niya, at iisip na yung makabubuto para sa iyo, o makabubuto para sa akin. Na hindi ko na may pakikita sa kanya yung mga ginagawa ko. Kasi siguro naman, lahat ng mga anak, di ba? Ang isa sa mga kinalulugod natin, yung makikita ng mga magulang natin, anong klaseng tao yung naging mga anak nila, kung ano ang narating nila. At katuwaan ko lang, halimbawa, imbitahan ko siya ng nagagawa ko, kaya bilhin ko ang ginawa ko, at hihintayin ko kung ano sasabihin. Kaya wala na siya. Natin yung pagkakataon, lagi ko kasi nasabi, kung ginagawa ko, kailangan, kung nasa tapat siya, dapat magusto.
At sasabihin niya, ayoko mag-assume, nakakahiya. Kasi marinig sa kanya, I'm proud of what you are and what you have done, not only as a professional artist, but as a person.
I really miss you. I'm still doing. I was not ready to let you go.
Yung pagmamahal niya, yung tawag, sorry, ang tired kasi talaga, sorry ko siya. Si Sir Tony, kahit na hindi mo siya guro, natawag siya, mistake ka. Lalo na kapag ginagawa ka, sabihin niya, maganda yung ginawa mo hindi. So, may malasakot siya. Hanggang dulo,
Tony opened the doors for a lot of us, not just performers, definitely not just performers, everything. He made it possible for us to be recognized as professionals in this industry in the Philippines.
When I see great performances of the actors, I'm excited. When a new play comes to life, it's a new first production of theater, it's a new play comes to life, and it looks really happy. And when I see successful people who I've worked with nurture us, that brings me. I think it's more my thinking now is more reflective, more than anything else. Yeah. First of all, you got to be healthy to be able to have. Second, I think you've got to have a certain madness, there's a love for what you do. The word passion is always used. You learn to think a lot of in theater. I think some kind of background in theater is always a must factor. So they better study instead of going straight and be a TV star or a movie star. Maybe going to the academy and studying the art. It's just both acting, directing, or if you have the opportunity to study, study.